This is a recipe that's not only good enough for your family, this is good enough for company. This is a pasta that Jack loves, and it's pasta with a mushroom and shrimp cream sauce.
Well, I'm slicing up your baby portobellos.
Okay, we need about 2 cups of that, Mom.
Okay.
And I'm gonna chop up, I need 1/4 cup of white onion, Mom.
Okay.
And y'all know that I'm gonna put these onions and that garlic down in that butter.
Jack is loving him some pasta, isn't he? You know, what is it about kids? They like come with this gene that says, I love macaroni and cheese, I love pasta.
He just likes the plain pasta with a little butter or olive oil on it and a little bit of Parmesan cheese.
That is the cutest kid I have ever seen. And those of you who are grandmothers out there, you can certainly identify with what I'm saying, can't you?
He is so cute. And
We'd have had those first if we'd have had any idea. All right, so 1 stick of butter.
I'm gonna saute these onions, Mom, down in this pan. I want these onions to cook down just for a little bit. I don't want them to be super crunchy. And as soon as these cook down, I want you to throw those mushrooms in for me, okay? And I've got 3 cloves of garlic here.
I remember Jack, his first bite of solid food was here in this kitchen. And I invited Brooke over. I think you were out of town, and I cooked some things that I knew Jack could eat. I made a squash casserole. I baked off some sweet potatoes, and that baby was sitting in his carrier seat, and I gave him a little bite of squash and sweet potatoes, and he was probably 7 months old, 6 months old, and he looked up at me with those big brown eyes, and he said, I said, all right.
Okay, that looks good, Mom. Let's get those cooking. Yeah, let's get these mushrooms down in here. We'll cook them down a little bit.
And I see you've got some kind of herb over here.
That's Italian seasoning?
Italian seasoning.
Yes, ma'am. A teaspoon of that, please.
There we go.
Okay, I'm gonna put a pinch of cayenne pepper. Just give it a little bit of heat. Okay, Mom, this is cooked down.
Good.
Yep, a 1/2 cup of white wine.
I'm gonna kick that up, son.
Okay, because
and let that wine kind of do its magic. Salt and pepper. Help it, help it.
Let's go with a big pinch of salt, a little bit of black pepper.
Yes.
2 cups of heavy cream.
All right, I've got your flame up on high.
Okay. Yes.
Yes, yes, yes. Get it done, get her done. And look, we have got all this beautiful fresh spinach over here that's gonna be going into our pot. I adore, adore, adore fresh spinach in pasta dishes.
And I'm gonna add 1 lemon.
People ask me all the time, Paula, how have you done it? How have you kept your son so close to you? And I say, well, honey, it's so easy. You start a business, you pay them, and they can't leave.
We're indentured.
Yes.
Okay, now I've got about probably 2 pounds of shrimp here. And now that this sauce has gotten some temperature to it and it's started to bubble, that's how we're gonna cook our shrimp. So I'm going.
And Jamie, I noticed that you're leaving tails on.
Sure, that's the handle.
Oh my goodness, how delicious. And one thing about this dish, y'all, is, you know, you can put things that you love in it. You know, kind of the sky's the limit. Our shrimp are starting to turn that beautiful pinky salmon color. So I think it's...
Looks like it's spinach time.
Yeah. This looks like a lot of spinach, y'all. It won't make 1/3 of a cup by the time it's
gonna give
wilted in there.
It's just gonna give us a real pretty color.
Oh.
This looks awesome. We're gonna go in right on top of our pasta.
Isn't that good? All that creamy sauce is gonna just let that pasta just drink it all up.
All right, Mommy, you ready?
Ooh, I am so ready. Oh my goodness. Keep it simple and delicious and easy. Gotta have some good bread.
I'm gonna wait on you.
Okay, go ahead.
It's delicious.
so good.
This is exactly what we wanted to do, y'all. It's a weeknight. It's simple and it's delicious.
You know, I just love the portobellos. It's like eating meat. They're so meaty. Love, love, love everything, Jamie.
Good. They make a good
What
burger.
a great job.
Hey, y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this blast from the past, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button, as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.